Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Spice Channel TV. Thank you for always joining us. If you're coming out here for the first time, please kindly subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you. The suspension of the Edo State Attorney General and the Commissioner for Justice, Honorable Samson Osagie, and the Chairman of the Local Government Service Commission, Damin Lawani, over allegations of grave financial infractions have sparked intense debate in Edo State, which actually somehow validates the PDP's concerns about the reckless financial mismanagement and maladministration and illegality under the leadership of Senator Monday Okpebholo. Some persons are against this suspension, while some other persons are supporting this suspension of the Edo State Attorney General. Now, these findings merely scratch the surface of systematic corruption and misappropriation of public funds and the blatant legal violations occurring right under the governor's watch. Despite these suspensions, only a thorough investigation can reveal the full extent of the corruption and organized theft committed by those disempowered politicians who have regained control of public finances in just 85 days of Okpebholo's administration. Now, we see that the Edo State government made a decision recently where they noted that they are going to suspend the Attorney General of the state. The Edo State Government House had released a statement recently where they announced the suspension of the Attorney General over financial infractions. And we can see that in just few months into Okpebholo's government, some certain persons have been, doing some certain things under Okpebholo's watch. And this has got so many persons talking. Now, these are reactions from Albert City, Niger.
Governor of Edo State, Senator Monday Okpebholo, has approved the suspension from office of the chairman of Edo State Local Government Service Commission, Honorable Damian Lawani, and the Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Honorable Samson Osagie, over allegations of grave. Now, this word that bust my head. They don't just say over allegations of official and financial infractions. Say over allegations of grave. Grave, as in grave. Now, very heavy allegation. They call put grave. To tell you say, na better money. Na involve. Over allegations of grave official and financial infractions. The suspension is with immediate effect. To now, as they happen so. If Okpebholo give appointment, he will say with immediate effect. If he suspend, he will say What's your Okpebholo dey smoke? No, he get what your Okpebholo dey smoke. Oh no, he get what your Okpebholo dey smoke. Nobody will fit tell me say Okpebholo not dey take something. He get what they take. Consequently, the governor has ordered the setting up of an investigative committee to investigate the allegations leveled against them and make appropriate recommendations accordingly. the suspension of Honorable Damien and the Honorable Attorney General and the Commissioner for Justice became necessary to enable the government carry out a thorough investigation into the allegation of financial infractions pending the conclusion of the investigation. Umar Musa Ihilo Esquire, Secretary to the State Government. Now, let us start this discussion like this. Samson Osagie has been one of the people destroying democracy in Edo State. Samson Osagie, Ihilo, and I think Oshomole's son was appointed the same day. And we come begin ask questions. So my APC friends, I thought it was Osomole that brought Samson Osagie. As he speaks, Samson Osagie is angry. You now hear confession now. They will now start giving people like us information at the rig election. Now, when will the secret one begin leak to the public? Subscribe to this YouTube. Very soon, I'll let YouTube I'm going to stream. Because YouTube will show love.
So guys, what are your thoughts on this? Meanwhile, the Edo People's Democratic Party has called out to the federal government, all relevant security agencies, the DSS, the EFCC, to investigate all fraudulent activities and financial recklessness that has been going on in Okwebulo's government for the past 2 months. I'm dropping here. Kindly share your thoughts on this in the comments section. Thank you.